Jumpy! Calling all superheroes. Today we're meeting real-life animal superheroes with amazing powers. Some can climb walls, some shoot chemicals, and one can even go invisible. Chameleon! Meet the chameleon, the master of disguise. It can change its colors to blend in or show how it feels. Electric eel. Zap! Here comes the electric eel. It can give off a real electric shock to protect itself or catch prey. Bat. At night, the bat flies with sound. Bats use echolocation to see in the dark by bouncing sound waves. Bombardier beetle. Boom! It's the bombardier beetle. This tiny beetle sprays hot chemical blasts from its body to scare off danger. Gecko. Now meet the sticky-footed gecko. Geckos can walk up walls and even across ceilings thanks to tiny hairs on their feet. Mantis shrimp. Whoa! The tiny but powerful mantis shrimp, it can punch with the speed of a bullet, fast enough to break glass. Let's test your superpower memory. I'll say the power, you name the animal. 1. Changes color like a superhero suit. Chameleon. 2. Zaps with electricity. Electric eel. 3. Flies with sound. Bat. 4. Shoots hot spray. Bombardier beetle. 5. Climbs walls like Spider-Man. Gecko. 6. Punches like a tiny superhero boxer. Mantis shrimp. Today you met the color-changing chameleon, electric eel, night-flying bat, chemical-spraying beetle, wall-climbing gecko, and super-punching mantis shrimp. Real animals, real powers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep discovering the amazing wild world. Superpowers!